Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Game, and today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play your Xbox games on your phone. So, on your Xbox, the first thing you need to do is go up to Settings right here and select this. Scroll on down to Devices and Connections and go to the right. And we want to go to where it says Remote Features. Then make sure this is enabled right here. Enable Remote Features. Now, if it's still not working, you could try disabling it and then re-enabling it. Now, once you have this enabled, go on over to your phone. Now you're going to want to make sure you're connected under the same wireless network as your Xbox. So scroll on down from the top, go to your network, and then make sure you're connected to the same network. Then go over to the Xbox app and open this up. Sign in with your email address and password. Then in the top right corner, you're going to see your Xbox. So it's going to say console right here. Select this. And then you can go to set up a console. Now, if you're on the same network, you should be able to discover it, or you might have to type in like a 12-character code. But when you have it connected, you can see your Xbox, make sure it's turned on and you're signed in with your account. Then go to Remote Play on this device and open this up. Now you can see my Xbox is playing on my phone right here. And I can start playing my games and I can see my Xbox. So it's very easy to do. And then there's going to be some 3 little dots over here. We can select this and we can disconnect using this. So we can just go to this, but we can start playing our Xbox. If we tap our phone screen, you'll see all the different controls on here. Makes it very easy. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.